This is a big hole in my Toyota Sienna back seat. And in this video, I'll show you how to hand sew a broken seam on your leather seat. Step 1. You'll need to buy one of these upholstery repair sewing kits. I bought mine on Amazon for about $8. I'll have the link in the description below. The kit comes with a lot of different tools, needles, and different colored threads. These are the tools I decided to use for the project. I also selected this type of needle because it'll be easier to work with for my application. I will also need this pointy tool in case I'll need to make holes somewhere in the leather. Step 2. Take the thread on one end and make it wet with your mouth. This helps threading the thread into the needle like this. Make sure to leave enough length so that it will be enough for your hole that you're trying to stitch. Use the provided scissors to cut it off. You will have to make a knot at the end where the threads meet. The easy way to do this is wrap the thread around your finger like this, then use your thumb to remove it from your index finger, and in the process it loops itself and makes a knot. Then use the fingers to tighten the knot by pulling the thread. Here's how long I made mine. It doesn't hurt to have a little extra compared to having it being too short. Step 3. I took the scissors and removed some of the damaged material that I wouldn't be able to repair. Hit that like button. I'm going to start with this corner and try to thread this in here. It was a little bit of struggle to get the needle through the leather at first, but eventually I got it. However, I made the mistake because you need to poke the first hole through the inside of your material so that the knot is hidden inside of your material. Basically, you go from the top on one side, then from the inside on the other side. When you pull the thread through, use the fingers to help you keep it tangled free. Then you come across to the other side again.
So I decided to use a strap and strap it around the chair to bring it closer so it's not too stretched out. We'll see how that goes.
You just need to repeat this process over and over again until the whole stitch is completed like this. Finally, you'll have to make a knot in some place of your stitch. I decided to run mine down to the middle like this and make the knot there. As you can see, you make a couple loops and thread the needle through the loops to make the knot. And here's what it looks like. I did a quick push test on the material, and it's not the prettiest, but it works, and it'll keep the leather together and prevent my kids tearing up the seat even more. And don't forget to subscribe.